accidentally permanently deleted an important folder. Is there any way to recover it with the original folder names and paths preserved? The answer is yes. In many cases, you can still recover it, including the original folder names and directory structure. Hi, this is Reco from RecoveryFox AI, your smart and reliable data recovery assistant. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted folders with their original names and paths preserved using RecoveryFox AI. Before we begin, there's one important thing to know. This method works best for deletion-based data loss, especially when files were recently deleted and the drive hasn't been heavily used afterward. So if you accidentally pressed Shift+Delete, emptied the recycle bin, or removed a folder by mistake, there's still a good chance of successful recovery. However, if the files were lost due to formatting, repartitioning, system corruption, or virus attacks, recovery becomes more complicated. In those situations, the original file index information may already be damaged or rebuilt, which means the recovered files may lose their original names or folder paths. To maximize your recovery success rate, stop using the drive immediately after the data loss occurs. Any new files written to the drive may overwrite the deleted data and make recovery much more difficult or even impossible. For this test, I'm using a 500GB by Seagate hard drive. As you can see, here's a folder named WinHex. Now I'll permanently delete the entire folder using Shift+Delete. The folder is now gone. At this point, avoid copying, downloading, editing, or installing anything onto the affected drive. Next, launch RecoveryFox AI. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from our official website, wonderfoxrecovery.com. And here's another important tip. Never install or run recovery software on the same drive where your lost files were stored. Doing so may overwrite the deleted data you're trying to recover. Once RecoveryFox AI opens, you'll see a clean and beginner-friendly interface. Simply select the target drive and click to start scanning. RecoveryFox AI will first perform a quick scan to locate recently deleted files. Then it automatically continues with the deeper AI scan to search for more recoverable data across the drive. You don't always have to wait for the entire AI scan to finish. If the deletion happened just a few moments ago, the quick scan will usually find your files instantly, right down to their original folder paths. You can pause it and recover them right away. However, if time has passed, or you've kept using the drive, those file paths might be damaged. In that case, let the AI scan run all the way through for the best results. In some cases, AI scan can still recover files with partial or original file names preserved. However, because deeper scans rely more on raw data analysis, the original folder paths are often missing. Now the quick scan is complete. Under the quick scan category, I can already find my deleted WinHex folder with its original structure preserved. I'll select the folder and click Recover. Now choose a different drive to save the recovered data. Again, never save recovered files back to the original drive, as this could overwrite other recoverable data. Once recovery is complete, let's open the recovered folder in File Explorer. I'll launch the application installer inside the recovered folder to verify whether the recovered files are still functional. And as you can see, the application opened successfully. So yes, even permanently deleted folders can often be recovered with their original names and paths intact, as long as you stop using the drive and act quickly. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more practical data recovery tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is RecoveryFox AI, and see you in the next video.